Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov, and welcome back to Full Stack Ninja. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming, classes and objects in Python. So, what exactly are classes and objects? Well, in simple terms, a class is a blueprint or template for creating objects, while an object is an instance of a class. Think of a class as a recipe for making cookies, and an object as an actual cookie that you've made using that recipe. So, in this example, we've defined a class called person that has two attributes, name and age. We've also defined a special method called init, which is used to initialize the attributes of an object when it's created. Then, we've created an object of the person class called person1 and passed in two arguments for the name and age attributes. And as you can see, we can access the attributes of the person1 object using dot notation. Now, one of the key benefits of using classes and objects is that they allow you to encapsulate data and behavior into a single unit. For example, you could define methods within a class that operate on its attributes. In this example, we've defined a class called dog that has two attributes, name and breed. We've also defined a method called bark that simply prints the word woof. Then, we've created an object of the dog class called dog1 and called the bark method on it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned a little bit about classes and objects in Python and how they can be used to create more organized and modular code. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content.